Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix Bluetooth audio not working on Realme Narzo power. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn on Bluetooth mode and turn off. Turn on or turn off Bluetooth 1 to 3 times and you will see. After turn on or turn off Bluetooth mode and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and restart from here. After restart device, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and update and click on backup and reset and click on reset phone and click on reset network settings. Enter phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so click on settings app, scroll down to end, click on system and update and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Bluetooth audio not working on Realme Narzo Power. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.